name is Rita Crane, and today I'm sharing a very simple and easy DIY. I'm taking all of those random bottles that we all have in our shower, shampoos and conditioners and body washes, you name it, and I'm making them nice and beautiful and organized by using these glass amber bottles. If you guys want to know how I did this DIY, just keep on watching. Okay, so for this DIY project, you're going to need a handheld embossed labeler, and then you're also going to need the bottles. So I bought a 32 ounce and a 16 ounce. I'm gonna link all of this stuff down in the description box below so you'll know exactly where to find it. And I bought glass. I will also link a plastic alternative as well if you do not want the glass. So it's very simple. All I'm gonna do is just start with a space. And I'm gonna start with my shampoo. So I'm gonna do a his and her. So I'm gonna spell out her for me. Do you guys remember having one of these when you were younger? We did, and I remember it being so much fun. Comment below if you guys had one of these as well. Okay, so after you finish spelling your label, don't forget to end with another space. And then just move the dial over to the scissor and just squeeze it, and then that's it. So as you can see here, this is what it looks like. And there is a little tab all the way to the end where I hit the little scissor, and that's what's gonna help you peel back the little sticky part, like that. And you're just gonna take your little sticky label, and you can place it anywhere on the bottle. I like to place it right in the middle. So then there's what it looks like once it's done. So I'm just gonna keep on labeling these, and then I'm going to put my shampoos inside the bottles, and I'll show you what the final result looks like here in just a minute. Okay, you guys, so after we just labeled the bottles and I put the shampoo, this is how they turned out. I have a his and hers. And I did a conditioner, and we also, at our local farmer's market, they have some amazing body moisturizing oil, and so it was in a not so pretty bottle, so I put it in the bottle here, in a 16 ounce, and then my absolute favorite thing that I did was this. That's gonna be next to our kitchen sink, and it has for the dish and hand soap. And I have this this ceramic dish already, and I put them in there, and I think it looks so cute. Okay, you guys, so that's it for the tutorial. If you guys like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Angela would really like that. You would really like that, huh? Comment below what your favorite part of this video was. Do not forget to subscribe because I make new DIY videos every week. Bye.